Welcome to the Electrical and Electronic Engineering Lecture Series. Your anchor person is Professor Michael Ndinechi. Today, we are going to continue our lecture on Sustainable 21st Century Learning Skills for Engineering Students, Part 2. Please follow us in the lecture series at my YouTube channel, https://youtube.com/@Ndinechi-Michael-C. You can also listen to part 1 of this topic by clicking on the link. We are going to continue by looking at the requisite 21st century learning skills. Last time, we looked at the core enablers and we looked at creativity, collaboration, communication, critical thinking, cultural competence. Today, we are going to continue by looking at the problem solving, curiosity, adaptability, leadership, time management, study skills, flexibility, questioning, and in part 3, we will be looking at technology skills. Now, if we look at the problem solving, it gives us an ideal. And that ideal means, one, you have to identify the problem to be solved. Then you define it. You explore possible ways of solving the problem, then you take action. That is really solving of the problem. After that, you look back and see if what you have done really solved the problem. So we call it the ideal of problem solving. We say problem solving is the process of defining a problem, identifying its root cause, prioritizing and selecting potential solutions, and then implementing the chosen solution. There is no one-size-fits-all problem-solving process. So there are alternatives. Then we look at curiosity. Curiosity is having a strong desire to learn or know something. Curious describes someone who is eager to find out answers and to explore and learn. A curious student asks lots of questions. So when you are in engineering class, you must be curious to ask questions. So we look at adaptability. Say that adaptability is the ability to accept changes. This skill can help students gain confidence and become more flexible when faced with change. Developing this skill could prepare them for their careers and lives after school. Students can grow these skills by completing projects and activities based on real-life problems. Then leadership. The essential academic and professional skill that equips students with the required confidence to lead projects and manage teams is called the leadership skill. When students acquire excellent leadership skills, they can give their best performance in academic and extracurricular activities. Strong leadership skills also instill a sense of ownership, accountability, responsibility, and empathy in students. Students can develop their leadership skills by joining a student union council, a student union government, leadership activity, clubs, or volunteering to lead group projects and assignments. Time management. Time management allows students to prioritize their most essential tasks and complete them on deadlines. Effective time management skills help students plan their class, project schedules, and meet their academic goals. One critical aspect of time management is dividing large tasks into achievable goals and devising a suitable action plan. One can learn this by allocating adequate time for each small task. For example, if you have a research project due at the end of the semester, consider dividing them into smaller tasks to avoid work overload. Then, one of the essential skills to be learned is study skill basics. You have to manage your time. You must learn to take breaks, exercise yourself, take enough sleep. You have to prioritize your tasks. You have to clear your schedule. You have to relax. And above all, you have to ask for help where necessary. So we say that good study skills can increase students' confidence, competence, and self-esteem. They can also reduce anxiety about tests and deadlines. By developing effective study skills, students may be able to cut down on the number of hours spent studying, leaving more time for other things of life like community service. Then we talk of flexibility. So flexibility involves adapting successfully to changing situations and environments. It helps in keeping calm in the face of difficulties. It also helps in planning ahead, but you must have alternative options in case things go wrong. Thinking quickly to respond to sudden changes in circumstances is a good attribute, and persisting in the face of unexpected difficulties is also a very good attribute for a student, and that is what is known as flexibility. Then we look at questioning skills. Questioning skills enable students to foster commitment, focus on attention, encourage exploration, and elicit new ideas. Therefore, the disciplined practice of thoughtful questioning enables students to explore complex ideas. In the process, they uncover their implicit assumptions that may not be real, expose deeply any held beliefs, and recognize high hidden contraptions. Thank you for listening. Please follow us in our lecture series by subscribing so that you get the subsequent module, more especially part 3 of this lecture as we upload it. You can drop your comments in the comment section or reach me personally in using my email in page 1. Thank you.